Hey guys, I'm Mario and today we'll talk about how to install a WordPress theme. If you're interested in marketing, web hosting and other business related tools, check out the video description. You won't regret it. So anyway, we open the WordPress admin panel. Here we select appearance, then themes. Now there's add new at the top. We tap on that. And here you can see all the themes. If we want to choose this theme, for example, we select install and then we'll be able to activate it right from here. Also, you can use the search bar here if you know the name of the specific theme. But how to pick the right theme, you can click the link at the top for my pick, or you can just type in Google best WordPress themes for blogging, for example, and then test them. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to see more.